Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are looking at the stock price of Appian Corporation with the ticker symbol APPN. Today the stock is up 29.73% and trading at $55.81. Today's volume so far is 4.5 million shares that have exchanged hands, compared to a typical volume of 511,000. The 52-week range from $42.18 to $149.82. And today's range, of course, like I said, is $45.28 to $59.49. So Appian Corporation provides business process management solutions. Its business process management tools automate and measure business processes. The firm's products include business process management software, case management, mobile application development, and platform as a service. The company was founded by Matt Calkins, Robert C. Kramer, Mark Wilson, and Michael Beckley in 1999 and is headquartered in McLean, Virginia. The company employs 1,798 employees. So the reason why this stock is running today is because they won a more than $2 billion judgment against Pegasystems, I believe it's called. And that was in a Virginia court. So the verdict just came out, and Pegasus is down about 25%. Meanwhile, Appian is up 29% as we speak. So that's what happened. That judgment came out maybe about 3 hours ago, and now we are seeing the immediate results of that judgment. So that's what happened with this stock. Let's look at the 5-day. I understand the stock was dipping, which you can see right here. At one point it was at $50.92, and then it dropped, and you even had it on Friday last week closing out at $42.33. so that wasn't a good day. Friday it went even lower, $42.71, and that was Monday. It went down to $42.63, and from there you had this judgment that just came in, and the stock rebounded really nicely early this morning, and now it's trading at $55.80, representing a jump of $29.71 or 29.71%. So that's the story about Appian. Is it gonna hold? That's the big question. If you look at the top of your screen, you can see all those indices are in the red. It's a very, very bad day for everyone on Wall Street. Yesterday was the same story. Nobody can predict the future, so we don't know when this market, I don't know if I should call it a full-blown recession. Nobody knows when this is going to stop. But what we can do in the meantime is see that the stocks are actually running and trending downward. So that's a cause for concern. Anyways, thanks for joining me. That's what I wanted to share with you guys, and good luck if you were invested in this stock anytime over the past week or so, because that's when the stock actually dropped enough to where you could actually make some profit. About a month ago, the stock was trading at $57, so it's just within about a 3-week time frame that the stock actually lost so much value. But stretch out to 6 months, you can see that the stock has been on a steady decline. So the big question is, will Appian be able to hold this 30% gain that it has made in a day? That's the big $1 million question, and I don't think anybody can objectively answer that. If they could, then they would be a billionaire. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.